You better love yourself. You better love. You better love yourself. You better love. You better love yourself. You better love.
Hi guys, I'm Sha-Phawn, pronounced like the material, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I make videos all about health, beauty, and fashion. And today I wanted to do a quick video showing you guys of my new hair. So I posted a video on Instagram of me just playing with my hair and everyone's been loving it. So I figured I'll make a YouTube video about the hair that I have. So I am wearing about 3.5 bundles of Brazilian wavy hair from SnobLife.com. I'll put their information in the description box below. And this is the 26-inch Brazilian wavy hair. So when I first got it, it did come like a dark brown, but I wanted it to be extra dark, so I did dye it with a 1 in Clairol from the beauty supply store, and the hair took the color really well. It didn't disturb the curl pattern, so it is straightened out now, and I threw some curls in it. And there's minimum shedding, no tangling. Like, I don't like that in longer tresses. So it's no tangling. Look, ends are full. So it's super cute. And at night, sometimes I just twist it up and then I take it out and it looks like still wavy. So cute. I love that. So I've actually been ordering Snob Life hair since like 2012, and they've always had quality hair. To me, it was always quality hair. So I really love that consistency. So in 2000 hair, I used to wear really long hair and I loved it. But then I started wearing shorter hair. So I will always get like a 16-inch and get it cut in the like bob look. But now that I'm wearing longer tresses, I went for a 26-inch. And that quality is still there. So I really appreciate that, because sometimes, you don't know what you may get with some hair companies. Like, one time your hair may be good, one time it may not be good. But I feel like the consistency with the quality is always there. So I love it so much. So yeah, guys, go check them out. And the outfit that I have on is a turtleneck dress from Dolled Up Daisy Co. I'll put their information in the description box below as well. It's super cute. And I'll put a little picture of me in the outfit with some heels on. And go ahead and check them out and use my code FAWN10. I'll put it on the screen here to get 10% off your purchase. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out those businesses. And I hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day. Peace and love.